Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the chosen app not working on Roku. Well, I cannot show you my TV screen because it's again privacy. That's why I've mentioned all the steps which I've used and this worked perfectly fine. So you have to check for Roku system update. And here you can do this by going to your Roku home screen and select settings, go to your system update and check now. If there's any update available, follow the prompt to install it. Basically, it will ask you to install, click on install, and in just few seconds, it will get installed in your TV or Roku TV. Now, the second thing is restart your Roku device, but I think I have already done this. But there is another way how you can restart your Roku device, and this is the real way. You have to go to the system restart, and then click on restart. Alternatively, unplug your Roku device from power and wait for 10 seconds and then plug it back in. But this may interrupt in the power system, so I will advise you go through the system and system restart. Now check for app update, which I've shown you earlier. Highlight the chosen app on your Roku home screen. Press the star icon button on your remote to open the option menu. Select check for update to ensure you have the latest version of the app. If still it's not working and the problem persists, you can just reinstall the chosen app. Now you have to check your network connection. Of course, you need to have a good internet connection, then only you will be able to access it. Make sure you check it. And the sixth way is to clear cache on Roku. Press the home button 5 times. Right, follow by the up button once and then rewind twice and fast forward twice. This will clear the cache on your Roku device. Make sure you follow the instruction exactly what I have mentioned you here. And the last option, which is I think you'll not get here because your problem gets solved, but if you're seeing this video, then of course you have to factory reset. So basically you go to the settings, system, advanced system settings and factory reset. It will ask you, are you sure you want to do this? And you have to click on yes, and it will delete each and everything and install it once again. So it will take a very large amount of time, but definitely it will fix your problem and any other problem too. And the last solution, which is basically contact the support team of Roku TV, and they will help you how to do this. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.